guys, Lucky Busted Stud Garage here at the car show. Coming across this thing, 62 Ford F100 4x4. Pretty cool. Got the vintage paint and everything. Take a quick look inside. Yep, she's a standard 4-wheel drive. Pretty cool. What's cool about this is, it's a unibody pickup truck. Things kind of like, I don't know, well used, still getting down the road. Certainly something I haven't seen in quite a while. Walk around it again. Yep, here it is. 62 Ford F100 4x4. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Busted Garage. Have a great night.